guys, okay, so Richard's chose his tips, and I think these are very, very good choice. Right, when these first used to come out, and if you remember that 20 years ago, we used to call them the blue tips, the flame tips, and burnt tips, and everything else. So, I mean, they're still in trend. A lot of the GTRs we've seen them on, but we see a lot of Fords with them on as well, the RSs and the STs. And I think they have that sort of own kind of trend. Really, really smart tips, 4.5 inch as you can tell, the beautiful set of tips. Right, okay, and this is how they're going to be installed. So not just like that, slightly angled. That's the reason people go custom. You could have any tip that you desire that suits your car and have it angled as it should. So if you look at the recess right there on that bumper, that's where it needs to be. So instead of it pointing out about 2 miles out, like some of the stuff that we've seen, and that's reputable companies as well. Some of their stuff is really bizarre, and I just don't think they have done enough R&D, pathetic as it probably sounds. I shouldn't be really saying that. But anyway, I'm not mentioning no names. So we're gonna put down an angle, beautiful set of tips, make sure there's a perfect, importantly when the guys are designing them, make sure there's a perfect allowance for space around there, put in correctly, angled. We look at angles from this side, from the top. The engineers make sure it looks perfect against the car. So there you are guys, a pair of them, blue tips, 4.5 inch. I think they make the car look amazing. And let's get on with building the exhaust system and hear what it sounds like.